This is our house. This is our front door. And I have to show you something so cool. Here's our hanging baskets that we just put up. Oh, maybe a week or 10 days ago. And I saw when I was taking Natalie to the bus the other day, a bird fly into this one. We've had birds build nests into our baskets before. Mama bird is probably in there. She may have just flown. Right there she goes. And Otto discovered yesterday that not only did she fly in like I saw her and build a nest, but there were 4 eggs in there. And I just looked this morning while I was taking Natalie to the bus to show her the eggs, and I saw something really cool. The eggs have hatched just this morning. I gotta get that leaf out of the way. And there's the babies. There they are. And it looks to me like there's 3 of them and 2 eggs. So I think there might have been 5 eggs when he looked in. But I don't want to disturb them, and I'm sure the mama is very unhappy that I've done this at this point. But I just had to show you how beautiful it is. And I can't tell what kind the mom is. They're not robin eggs, I know that much. Anyhow, I am going to hang it back up now. And I hope you enjoyed. Bye.